Health Information Systems, Relevancy of System Integration and Interoperability, a presentation by Shikarra J. Mosby. Introducing the next slide, we're going to be talking about recurring topics that circulate healthcare and its delivery systems. Cost, quality, efficiency, and effectiveness, as well as accessibility, are some of the most recurring topics that revolve around healthcare and how it is delivered to the public. Health technology. So, health technology serves a very necessary role in improvement of healthcare services and how care is delivered. As a nation, health innovations and advancements have brought us a long way in how we care for the public. New studies are being conducted every day. With new knowledge and findings, there is then a new consideration that poses question of how can we improve the delivery of healthcare services provided to the public. Health information systems. In Chapter 8 of our text, which is roughly on page 135, health information systems are described to be a combination of computer, hardware, and software that processes data into information to solve a problem, all in relevancy towards health-related enterprise. Addressing the major topics. Health information systems is a very unique advancement. It addresses most, if not all, of those major circulating topics revolving around healthcare and its delivery systems. It addresses cost by reducing chances of medical error due to smart technology. It enhances quality of service by establishing an accuracy of communication with interfunctioning professions within the facility. And then it's also supporting accessibility by creating real-time and fast access to patient information. And all this contributes to the quality of care being serviced to the public. System integration and system interoperability. What do these individual terms mean? System integration is a process of bringing two systems together to create seamless functionality. System interoperability is a function or characteristic that allows systems to work with other necessary related systems within a healthcare facility that may support day-to-day tasks within the organization or may even support efficiency to deliver care to patients. How does the establishment of the two prove to be relevant towards health information systems? Establishment of the two within health information systems prove to be both relevant as well as necessary. The purpose of such systems are intended to support the day-to-day necessary functions that take place within a health organization. This includes support to providers, support to consumers, as well as support to administrative and management roles. The importance of communication. Communication is a large theme in support of connecting system integration and interoperability to health informatics systems. Support of efficient communication in the form of this medical innovative product also addresses, as I said before, some if not all of the major concerns associated with health services and how they are delivered. Pros and cons of medical advancements. With medical advancements, there's always pros as well as cons. Ethical dilemmas are brought into consideration. Costs compared to more cost-efficient methods are thought of. Does it prove or provide better quality in terms of life and care to patients? Is it worth the investment? Many things are taken into consideration when going forward with medical advancements. Current topics in relevancy to health informatics systems. So, some of the current topics include downtime to become familiarized with a new system. And this also includes cost to maintain such programs. And then with that, there's a compatibility issue. So some older hardware may not be equipped to run such upgraded software. So this also creates a downtime, making information inaccessible. And then big data is one of the larger concerns. So currently with such systems, there seems to be an issue with huge amounts of data being collected with little knowledge as well as processes set in stone to properly analyze and utilize certain data. So without proper understanding of data retrieval, it then leaves large amounts of data that are made inaccessible. And then more information about big data can be found in our text on page 144. The active learning approach. So some of the current major topics pertaining to health informatics systems are working to be addressed, and this is one of them. So, in peer review article titled Active Learning of the HL7 Medical Standard by Reading Lumiere, a concept referred to as the active learning approach is introduced. So, this is pretty much a concept that draws on the observation of reduced downtime associated with learning new systems by using interactive learning methods, which engages learners with realistic medical scenarios. Health information system and its support to providers. Health information systems provide support to providers by enhancing communication with providers and other necessary practices to in specialties within a health care facility. So things like radiologists, pharmacists, other specialists, things that may need to be ordered, such as lab orders. So having a clear documentation allows for real-time access and utilization to prepare orders and needed assistance that may occur in patient care. Support. It supports interaction between provider and patient, allowing for patients to be more involved with their care. Health information system and its support to consumers. So again, it provides support in establishment of patient-centric care. It reduces wait time and overall enhances the consumer experience. Do we really need medical innovations? In peer-reviewed article titled Design of a Patient-Centric, Service-Oriented Healthcare Navigation System for Local Health Integration Network by authors Bhandari and Snowdon, the pressing theme in this is the acknowledgement of such positive impact that such system has on individuals' overall well-being. Though this new technology faces current challenges, the benefits of the establishment outweighs the current obstacles, making it worthy of the needed attention for improvements. Medical innovations allow for us to keep up with the quality healthcare services being provided to the public. The world is constantly changing. It is our responsibility to adjust and accommodate to the current need of the people. This is a responsibility always when working in a field that provides service to the people. And this part of the presentation, we're just going to review all the beneficial contributions health information systems are responsible for. So it supports clinicians and other independent specialists within a health organization to communicate efficiently. Establishment of communication addresses cost by reducing mistakes, thus reducing claims. Supports readily accessible information, and it aids in better patient experience by potentially reducing downtime. Supports the concept of patient-centric, patient-oriented facilities by allowing a more patient involvement with care. And then this concludes the presentation. Thank you.